Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk with you how to download, install and uninstall plugins on Jenkins. Plugins are the primary means of enhancing the functionality of a Jenkins environment to suit organization or user-specific needs. There are over 1,000 different plugins which can be installed on a Jenkins controller and to integrate various build tools, cloud providers, analysis tools, and much more. Plugins can be automatically downloaded with their dependencies from the update center. Let's see how to install it. Let's browse Jenkins.io. This is the official website of Jenkins. On this page, we can see there are a number of links. For the purpose of this presentation, I navigate to the documentation installing Jenkins and going through managing Jenkins. We can see the link, the managing plugins. This document has everything to install a plugins. So there are two ways we can install plugin on Jenkins. One is using the plugin manager in the web UI. This is the very simplest way. And another one is using the Jenkins CLI install plugin command. Let's see how to install Jenkins using the web UI. Let's browse localhost 8080. Let's click Manage Jenkins and click Manage Plugins. We can see the couple of tabs. If we want to install plugins, we need to choose the Available tab. At the bottoms, we can see three buttons. One button is Install Without Restart. There are most plugins can be installed and used immediately. So for those plugin, we can click this button. If we find the list is empty, that means the master might be configured incorrectly. In this case, if we click Check Now, this will force Jenkins to attempt to contact its configured update center to download the metadata from the update center. You can search your desired plugin to type here for installing. So for my case, I am searching MS Build. So this is the MS Build plugin. I need to choose this plugin and click Install Without Restart. If I check it, the Jenkins server will be restarted. Let's click. Jenkins server restarted. So let's type my username and password again. So manage plugins. Let's check the install section. Search MS Build over there. So MS Build plugin has been installed successfully. So if you want to remove the plugin from my Jenkins server, I need to click the uninstall. So if I click yes, the MS Build will be removed from my Jenkins server. If you want to update your Jenkins plugins, you need to choose this tab. If you want to update any of them plugins, you need to choose by selecting checkbox, and if you click this button, this plugin will be updated. and then we can see another button is check now. By default, the Jenkins controller will check for updates from the update center once every 24 hours. If you want to manually trigger a check for updates, you need to click the check now button. This will download updated version of the plugin from update center. And another tab is advanced. You can install Jenkins in advanced way. In advanced way. Thanks.